In 1990, the average Chinese citizen earned less than $1 a day. By 2020, China had more billionaires than any country except the United States. One generation, one country, the fastest accumulation of wealth in human history. But here's what they don't tell you in the headlines. This wasn't capitalism. It wasn't communism either. It was something else entirely. This is the story of how China built wealth at a speed the world had never seen, and why that speed might be the very thing that brings it all down. Between 1980 and 2020, China's economy grew by an average of 9% every year for 40 years straight. To put that in perspective, if you grow at 9% annually, you double every 8 years. That means China's economy doubled 5 times in 4 decades. This wasn't gradual progress, this was exponential violence. And the question everyone keeps asking is how? How do you take a country where 88% of the population lived in extreme poverty and turn it into the world's second largest economy in less than half a century? The answer isn't what you think. In 1978, a man named Deng Xiaoping took control of China. Deng did something radical. He opened the door, just a crack. He let farmers sell their own crops. He created special economic zones where foreign companies could build factories. He allowed private businesses to exist alongside state-owned ones. The Communist Party never gave up control. This wasn't about freedom, it was about results. And the results were immediate. Chinese farmers who could suddenly keep their profits worked harder. Foreign companies who wanted access to 1 billion consumers built factories. Wages went up, cities expanded, money started moving. Underneath, China was building something much bigger. While the West celebrated China's embrace of markets, they missed the architecture. China didn't privatize its banks, it controlled them. And those banks didn't lend money the way Western banks did. They lent according to the plan. Need to build a high-speed rail network connecting every major city? The banks fund it. Want to construct entire cities from scratch? The banks fund it. Planning to subsidize strategic industries like solar panels or electric vehicles? The banks fund it. There was no debate on return on investment, no shareholders demanding quarterly profits. Just the state deciding where capital should flow, and the banks making it happen.